Hello audience. So today we will discuss non-newspaper vocabulary which are important for CSS and other competitive examinations. So the first one is overhaul. So its meaning is renovate or to examine. Next one, pathos. Pathos mean sadness. Paucity mean shortage or scarcity. Next one, peer. So its synonym is to look closely at. Next one, penchant. So its meaning is tendency or leaning towards something. Next one, penurious. So its synonym is miserly. Next one, phlegmatic. So its synonym is calm. Placid, peaceful, pliant. Its synonym is flexible. Next one, plaudits. So plaudits mean praise, admiration. Next one, polarized. So its synonym is divided into two extremes. Next one, pragmatism. Pragmatism, practicality. Next one, preclude. So its synonym is to prevent something from happening. Next one, presumption. Presumption meaning assuming too much. And the last one, profundity. So its synonym is depth of ideas or thought. So it's all for today, and please like and subscribe down times for more videos and updates. Thank you.